รู้จักครับ
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 รู้จักครับงานเชื่อมเหล็กไงพี่
แล้วรู้ไหมว่าเขาใช้อุปกรณ์อะไรบ้าง
อ๋อที่มีสะเก็ดไฟแล้วใช้หน้ากากใช่ไหมครับ
อยากให้อธิบายลักษณะของงานเชื่อมตามที่เราเข้าใจนิดนึง
งานเชื่อมก็จะเป็นการเอาโลหะครับมาเชื่อมต่อกันโดยใช้ความร้อนนะครับ
เป็นงานเชื่อมเหล็กแล้วก็เชื่อมพลาสติกค่ะ
Do you believe that all these amazing constructions which bring us convenience started from a few little human men? At Thai German Institute, this is only one place in Thailand that can guarantee whether these little human men are qualified and have enough skills to finish all big jobs. In construction, no matter it's small or big, oil and gas field site, piping, and under pressure vessel, all these constructions have melting process, which make things blend together. We call welding. The key point of both metal welding and plastic welding is the strength and safety for users. Then there are many welding standards, guidelines, working procedure, and laws. People who work in the welding field or welder must truly have knowledge and essential skills. Bright light, heat, smoke, and these noises from the welding process are telling us that a man who becomes a welder is a special person because he has to work in this inconvenient environment all the time and must have a high tolerance. The importance of underwater welding process. In the case ships are on the mission in the sea, there are chances ships might hit rocks underwater and get damaged. Ship hulls have holes. If we don't have underwater welding process, we have to bring ships back to port and lift them up to dry dock for repairing. The Navy would have to spend very high costs for bringing ships back. On the other hand, if we have underwater welding process, the Navy will save cost and budget. The importance of underwater welding process. In the case ships are on missions in the sea, ships might hit rocks and cause damage to their hulls. If we don't have underwater welding process, we have to spend a lot to bring ships back to dry dock. Fuel costs for bringing ships back and electric costs for dry docking will cost hundreds of thousands of baht. When we have underwater welding process, we can repair ships in the sea and save costs. For the process of underwater welding, it is much more difficult than dry welding. Environments are different. Water temperature, tide, wave, creatures. There are many things we can't control. We have to adapt ourselves to environment, and divers must use all trained knowledge to work. Underwater welding requires higher skill than dry welding. After Navy divers participate in underwater welding courses, they will gain much more knowledge and skill. 3 persons working in welding process. First one is a welder. Second is a welding inspector. And the last one is welding trainer. I must say it's the process in working life of any welder, career path of course.
อาจารย์แต่ละท่านก็เป็นผู้ที่มีความเชี่ยวชาญในแต่ละสาขาคือสามารถถ่ายทอดความรู้ให้กับนักเรียนนักศึกษาได้เต็มที่ครับ
สามารถนำไปใช้ประโยชน์ต่อยอดได้ไหมคะ
สามารถทำอินสเปกเตอร์งานทั้งนอนเป็นเชี่ยวชาญแล้วก็เป็นเชี่ยวชาญได้
ค่ะ
คุ้มค่ามาก
Thai German Institute provides a stairway for a welder to improve himself and leap to the higher level. We will change welding attitude, give opportunity to train to be a welding inspector. We also hope that a welding inspector will improve himself to be a welding trainer in the future. Today, there are several welder certificates in many levels and from many organizations around the world, America and Europe. A welder who has a welder certificate from one organization might not be accepted from others. To solve this problem in Thai welding sector is one of Thai German Institute's missions. It's not easy, but very challenging.